what?
Did you break my wrist?
Good? I heard.
Nice.
With the booby.
Yes, yes. Whoa.
Okay, heel hook.
Okay. That's crazy. Easy. Easy.
Let's move on.
Yeah, that's a complete for all of us.
From a small ass hold. What the fuck?
This one.
You gotta trust the shoes, bro. They're brand new.
Turn it on, turn it on.
You already got it?
Trust the brand, bro. You got it.
Yeah.
Nobody's watching. Don't worry.
Yeah. Heal up, heal up.
Yes, nice.
Nice. Huh?
Yes.
Nice. Orange is purple.
Yeah. Nice.
Right foot higher first. Yeah. Lean all the way left and then swing. That's hard. Nice, Hannah. Reach.
That was my beta this whole
That was her baby.
Woo! Where do you even start? Oh, it is here. It's a V7. Use the volume, Hannah. Yeah. Nice. Crimps, dude.
You got a fire, right?
Yeah. Yep. Nice, Hannah. Now you just gotta stand on the volume.
A lot of crimps.
I guess you don't have to.
It's fun though. Easy peasy.
Yay. Yay. I look fun.
Are you gonna try the shower here?
I could. I brought stuff. I just don't know if we have enough time. I mean, if you see
It's the wrong way, dude. Let me call them.
Are you gonna eat here too?
we want to.
What are you gonna buy for Mamale?
Oh, I don't know what they're called. He just told me. She told me. She's like some frozen stuff. She wants some pho back.
It's the wrong way.
Do the split, do the split.
I feel like here they have more geometric shapes, which makes it fun to look at.
I don't even know what to do from here.
Dude, whoa, I've been like.
My
This
knees.
girl did this one.
You have to
I
see.
think left leg up somehow.
We're like 75% of the way there.
Yeah,
That is such a weird one.
oh my god.
Whoa. Nice.
Big flasher, huh?
The new shoes that should be.
Big flasher. Nice, Anna.
You guys leave me too, bud.
Yeah, I think so too. What the?
That's like broken arms. So.
Do you have grip on there?
It's not that slippery.
That's crazy. How do you do this push part? Oh, shit.
If you're like,
Oh, there's the white one there.
you get like to the top. Okay.
Hold up.
Wait, it looks.
Hey, yo!
I think you made it look easy.
Yeah.
I think
it's
so
a line,
too.
right?
Our-